Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to register WeChat account or how to create WeChat account. First, you have to go to your Google Play Store, install this one, or make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. You can sign up via mobile or Facebook, but this time I have to choose to sign up via mobile. So once you click this one, you just have to provide your name, country or region. Tap this one and then select your country. You can type the first letter of your country, and then once it appears, all you have to do is to click that one and then type the phone number. Enter your phone number here. And then after that is your password. Once you're done with this, click the small circle here. That means you have agreed to the terms and services, and then click accept and continue. Now read their privacy policy and then click the small circle, then click next. Okay, please wait. So by the way, the next step here is security verification. You just have to click start, wait for a couple of seconds again, and you just have to slide to complete the puzzle. Okay, then after that, your verification has been successful. So we have ways here on how to create your account. First is you ask your friend to scan this QR code. All you have to do is screenshot this one and then send this to your friend who has WeChat account and who's been using WeChat account for 6 months or years. Now, if your friend cannot scan this code, all you have to do is to click unable to scan a code and then kindly ask them to enter your mobile number and add you as their new friend. As simple as that. Actually, you can also sign up via Facebook if you want, but that would be another tutorial. For now, this is the method on how to sign up or how to create WeChat account via mobile. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.